Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about TikTok, and I would like to show you the way how you can manage your past visibility of your content on TikTok application. Now we just need to open your TikTok application, and then you just need to take a look on this bottom side here. There will be several sections, and one of them is profile. You just need to go click these profile sections, and you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be 3 straight line. Go click those icon. Now you just need to visit the setting and privacy, and you just need to scrolling down until you got this content and display box. Now you just need to go click this activity center and wait until the options is pop up, and one of these option will show you a manage past visibility, and go click it. Now you will have a change to manage all of the content that you have on your TikTok account. So let's say here you want to make one of the video being private, so no one gonna able to access the video. You just need to go click the video that you want to change them from public or everyone to private. So now you just need to go click next, and there will be an option about the action. There will be everyone, friends, and only me. Since you want to make it private, go click this only me and go click update. So those video will be placed into the only me, and you are done. That is the way, guys, how you can manage the past visibility on TikTok. Hopefully you find this video today very useful for you, and let's meet again into other tutorial.